Can something this small actually replace your full desktop setup? This is the new Mac Mini with the M4 chip. Apple has done it again. This tiny machine is seriously powerful, and it might be the best value desktop right now. It keeps that clean, minimalist aluminum design. No noise, no distractions, just a compact device that fits perfectly on any desk. But the real magic is inside. The new M4 chip, paired with 16 gigabytes of RAM, makes everything feel incredibly fast. Multitasking is smooth, apps open instantly, and even heavier tasks like video editing or coding run without slowing you down. You also get 512 gigabytes of superfast SSD storage, so files load instantly and everything feels responsive. In real use, it handles multiple apps like a Pro, browser tabs, editing software, music in the background, no lag, no stress. This is perfect for students, creators, or anyone who wants serious performance without spending too much. Of course, you'll still need to buy a monitor, keyboard, and mouse separately. But if you're looking for a powerful, efficient desktop, this Mac Mini might be the smartest choice right now, so would you choose this or go for a MacBook instead?